saying it was a cut, so hopefully it's not a blister. Blisters take a lot longer, maybe even season ending potentially sometimes. They're chill. So hopefully we don't see that anymore. They said a cut. I hope it is. Hope he comes back.
Is that a cut coming from the laces? What did you
Yeah.
know anything more about that?
No, not necessarily, but it usually is. You know, you're gripping that on that big whooper duper, as D-Train calls it. So
Whooper looper.
I love that. He's so funny. I love him in the booth. He's so fun to listen to. He keeps it interesting.